Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Okay, that's for position trading. Okay, then the next thing is we have swing traders. Swing traders will have two types of swing traders. The first type is what we call a monthly swing. Okay, monthly swing trader. That means their position will be about 1 month. Okay, and then there is also a swing trader that is trading just for a week. Okay, 5 days. So this is equals to 1 week. Okay, so these are the other time frame of trading. So a swing trader, what they want to do is they want to get in maybe here, okay, and they want to get out here. That's all. Okay, they want to get in here and they want to get out here. So again, when you're a swing trader, your size will be different again. You may be trading bigger size because you are able to have your stop loss and things like that. You will trade a bigger size, and your setup is also different. Okay, so let me share with you what are the tools that you can use for each and every one of these trading time frame. Okay, so let's say for investor, what we can use is maybe the 200 days moving average. Okay, we use a 200 days moving average to get in and out. So when the price goes above my 200 day moving average, which is a line, this is 200 MA. This may be my buy signal, okay? And because it's a very slow indicator, eventually when the price crosses below, that will be sell signal. Okay, this example of investor. For position trading, okay, your time frame are shorter, so you can use either a 20, 40 week moving average as an entry and exit. Okay, so from here you use a 20 weeks MA, 20 and 40 weeks MA as an entry and exit. So when the price cross above my 20-day moving average, let's say this is a 20-week moving average, this will be my entry, and this is a 40-week moving average. Okay, so that can be my entry exit for position trading. Okay, for swing trading, you can, instead of using on a weekly chart, you can use a 20 and 40 week moving average, but it's on the daily charts. Okay, so conclusion is like that. Okay, when you know your time frame, then you will know your size. When you know your time frame, then you will know your setup. Your setup is how you enter, how you stop loss, how you take profit. Then you know your trading setup. Okay, and all this is very important, and you need to determine this before you enter a trade. You cannot enter a trade and then tell yourself that if I make money, then I take profit. If I don't make money, I hold on to the trade. Then if you're doing like that, then that is not the correct way of trading. So important thing is to know your time frame. Okay, when you begin the trade already, you set your what we call ET, the entry, target, exit time frame. First, know your size already, then you enter the trade. And when you enter a trade, if it have not hit your stop loss, you do not exit the position. If you have not hit your target price, you do not exit the position too. Okay, so you need to follow your what we call a trade plan. And each and every strategy have their different kind of trade plan. And what I share with you is an example of an entry plan or exit plan using a different time frame. Okay, I hope this video has been useful for you. I'll see you at the next video. So, if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.